Hello, I am Dr. Yunus Kolaseri. One of the most common health issues seen among the elderly around us is knee pain. Although we undergo various treatments for knee pain, the reality is that we do not follow the appropriate dietary habits for it. In this video, I am going to talk to you about dietary habits that are beneficial for knee pain. Let's get to know some healthy foods that people with knee degeneration should include in their diet. Consuming these foods daily will help reduce the discomfort caused by knee degeneration. Let's get to know each of them in detail. First, let's look at vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, capsicum, chili, and artichoke are important. Consuming these is good for joint health. Vegetables provide plenty of nutrients that support the health of your joints. These contain sulfur, vitamin C, capsaicin, and magnesium. Broccoli contains vitamin K. Vitamin K is important for joint health. It strengthens the bones and improves joint health. Similarly, capsicum contains vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for the health of the joints in the body. It helps the body to produce the necessary and important protein known as collagen. Collagen is a vital substance that strengthens the joints and also helps to reduce pain as well as swelling. The chilies that we eat in our daily diet contain a special component called capsaicin. Capsaicin is known to help reduce pain and swelling in the joints, making movement easier and more comfortable. Another one is what is called artichoke, but as far as I know, it is not very commonly available in Kerala. Artichokes are rich in sulfur. Sulfur is important for joint health. It strengthens the structure of the joints and helps reduce pain and swelling. Including these vegetables in our diet can help reduce the symptoms of knee degeneration and also help lessen knee pain. So far, we have discussed which vegetables we should eat. Now let's get to know about the fruits we should consume. Fruits provide plenty of nutrients for joint health. They contain vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and beta-carotene, NEs. For those with knee pain, one of the most important fruits to eat is orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, which is essential for joint health. Collagen strengthens the joints and helps reduce pain and swelling. Similarly, bananas contain magnesium. Magnesium is important for joint health. This improves joint health and reduces pain and swelling. Another very important food is grapes. Grapes contain vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for joint health. It also helps strengthen the joints and further improves their health. Similarly, another important fruit is the apple. Eating an apple every day is good for the body. Apples contain folate. Folate is important for joint health. It improves joint health and helps reduce pain and swelling. Another important fruit is papaya. Eating papaya is good for our body. Papaya contains beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is an antioxidant that helps protect joint health. Another fruit that is good for knee pain is pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain helps reduce joint pain and swelling as well. Mango is another such fruit. For those with knee pain, eating mango is highly beneficial. Mango contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. All of these are important for joint health. Including these fruits in our diet is essential. Just like fruits, grains are also important in helping to reduce the symptoms caused by the wear and tear of the knee. Grains are very good for health. They are an excellent source of both fiber and protein. Fiber helps to maintain healthy gut microbes. Likewise, dietary fiber is essential for supporting healthy digestion and also for joint health. Consuming enough protein is important for muscle growth and for repairing any damage to muscle tissue. It also helps strengthen the joints. Protein is necessary to produce collagen, which is vital for joint health. Brown rice, oats, and wheat are some of the best sources of fiber and protein. For those with knee problems, consuming these is highly beneficial. Along with fruits, vegetables, and grains, eggs are considered one of the most important foods. Eating eggs is very beneficial for knee pain. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamins such as vitamin B12, vitamin A, and folic acid. These vitamins are extremely important for joint health. Similarly, eggs are also one of the best sources of protein. One egg contains about 6 grams of protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and for various repairs. One of the most important things is that our joints are surrounded by muscles, so consuming protein helps strengthen the knee joints. Osteoarthritis occurs as a result of the reduction of fluid in the joints. Because of this, symptoms like pain, swelling, and reduced movement of the knee often arise. Eating eggs helps the body produce collagen, which protects the fluid in the joints. Therefore, consuming eggs helps strengthen the knee joints and also helps prevent osteoarthritis. Similarly, it is also effective in reducing knee pain and swelling. Although eating eggs is beneficial for knee health, consuming them in excess can be harmful. It is said that eating up to 2 eggs a day is generally considered the safest approach. Just like eggs, another important food to consider is fish. For those who have knee pain, in particular, eating fish is very good as it helps improve knee health and slows down degeneration. Similarly, fish is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for joint health because they help reduce inflammation. Joint degeneration can also be caused by inflammation. Likewise, omega-3 fatty acids promote collagen production. Collagen is one of the main proteins that strengthens joints. It improves the health and strength of the joints and also helps reduce pain. For all of these reasons, fish is truly one of the very best foods for supporting knee health. Eating fish can help to reduce swelling, pain, and degeneration in the knees. Tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are all considered to be the best types of fish for promoting knee health. Consuming all these foods can help reduce the risk of knee degeneration. Additionally, eating them can also help alleviate the symptoms of knee degeneration. There are also a few things that people with knee degeneration should pay attention to. First and foremost, maintain a healthy lifestyle. That is, make sure to maintain it consistently. Excess weight puts additional pressure on the knee joints and increases degeneration. Secondly, drink plenty of water. Water helps protect the structure of the joints. Next, if you are experiencing symptoms of knee degeneration, consult a doctor. The reason is to seek treatment. The doctor should recommend the appropriate treatment for your condition. This will help protect your health. If you pay attention to these things, we can quickly overcome the difficulties caused by knee degeneration. So far, we have discussed the foods that people with knee degeneration should eat. However, there are also certain foods that people with knee degeneration should not eat or should avoid. Let me share those with you as we wrap up this video. One of the most important among them is foods that cause excessive weight gain, for example, fast food snacks. Consuming items like sugary drinks can lead to weight gain and as a result, increase the risk of knee degeneration. Similarly, consuming processed foods is not good for our health. Processed foods are harmful to our health and they also increase the risk of knee degeneration. Another unhealthy habit is smoking. Smoking is harmful to our health and it is also detrimental to our joints. Therefore, avoiding these habits can reduce the chances of knee degeneration and help those who are already affected to experience fewer difficulties. Please share this valuable message with people who might benefit from it. Follow this channel to receive more such useful information.